Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Unable to launch GTA 5 Nance no caption sound playback device was detected. Code 7002.1. So how to fix? Okay. So first, click to start. Type device manager. Okay. In the search bar, open it. After that, extract the audio input output. Select the speaker. Right click to uninstall, and then click to uninstall it. Okay. Then find out the sound also, extract this, and Realtek audio driver, right click to uninstall. Okay, after that close it, then again open. Okay, and then click to action, and then click hardware changes. You can see it will detect once again, it will come again. Okay, and same thing happening here also, speaker, and then close it. After that, restart the Windows Update service. So click to start, type services. Okay, right click to run as administrator, this is mandatory. Then press W and scroll down. So you can see Windows Audio, double click it, select the automatic and stop, and once again start again, and then apply, and then OK. Then select Windows Update again, and left hand side you can see restart options there, so click it. Now you can see it's running. Okay, it's running automatic, and then close it. Then need to download the Realtek audio driver, so open any browser, so search in Google, so you can see Realtek audio driver download, you can type it. Okay, and then this is first link, realtek.com's official website, so click on it. After that you can see 64-bit and only driver. Okay, click to download this icon, scroll down, I accept, audio driver available for Realtek. Wait few seconds to start. I am not robot. Now we can see it is start. Then it is completed. Then single click to open it. Then it will start the installation. Single click to open it. It will extract and then installing. Then click to next. Next. So older driver is uninstalling and latest driver is installing. Then select no and then finish it, and then minimize. Then click to start. Next, type control panel and then open it. After that, select the view by category and then select hardware and sound. Then click on sound. So guys, this is recording, this is playback, this is recording, this is sound. Okay, so in the playback I'll show you. So how many devices detecting. Okay, so no worry about it. By default select which one, which is you required. Okay, like if you want to this one, so you can select set default. If you want to this one and set default, after that it will get the output in this devices. Okay, so sometimes this is make big issue. And recording also, if you want to connect it external and this, so select set default which you are required. Okay, yeah. After that close it, and last method, click to start, type cmd, and then right click to run as administrator, and after that type sfc space slash scan now, and then hit enter. This is so important for your system. Okay, thank you. After that it complete 100%, then need to restart your system, and then please check it. Thank you.